Hello friends, today I am coming to you with video which is unboxing, actually showing you new shoes from Amazon that I've got, and it's Dr. Martens again. Ta-da! This is the box. Looks like this. And I've got these ones. Dr. Martens Jadon in white. Polish smooth. Size US 9. Men and women is US 10. So yeah, let's open it. I've got them from Amazon. So this is how it looks like. So they come packed with just some kind of this stuff. Wow, heavy. And here they are. Let's take it out. They're so heavy. And box inside has that imprint of shoes. And here it says about brands and few sentences. So put it in. And here they are. Jadon's Dr. Martens in white. They are so heavy. This will be thumbnail. Yeah, oh yeah. So yeah, I show you just how they look from close up. So I've got them on Amazon, and this is how they look like. They are nice and made from smooth leather, and they have black laces, and this thingy looks like this from close up. It says they have bouncing soles. They made from leather, and they are on zipper here. And this kind of thing is really cheaply made. Look, it's not this one. This piece of fabric is not leather but fabric, which in my other Jadons is different because it's from leather in this part. And in other Jadons we have different zipper, and this one has this kind of zipper where it says Dr. Martens. But yeah, I think they are a real one. They're made from leather. Inside leather looks like this. And inside, deep inside, we have, oh here we have weird kind of leather, but it's still leather, but it's really fluffy, as you can see. Sole is fake. It has over an inch, almost 2 inches. I think it's 175, I think, but I like it. And what else I can tell you? We have 8 eyelets. And the other one looks the same. Just this thing is a little annoying because it's cheaply made. I show you my other dogs. So I have black ones, and black ones have different zipper looks. This zipper is different, as you can see, and this one regular one. And let's see if we have differences. Yeah, this zipper here, this part is better quality, as it's maybe not real leather, but it's some kind of stiffer leather. And this one is really flimsy. Yeah, flimsy. But let's see if they are different. Kind of look the same. Wow, this one looks bigger when I look like this. Do you see it? Black one looks bigger. Yeah, this might be a little bigger. This one is size 10, another one too. But when I compare them, like, look at this. Let's see if they are actually the same. Maybe black a little bigger. Slightly. So yeah, that's Dr. Martens, and sole look like this. It's all fat acid petrol alkali resistant. So yeah, that's my new Dr. Martens. I have to break them in. Yeah, on me. With joggers and this video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for more, and hit notification bell so I know, so you get notified every new video show up. So yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.